This is the project we're making in today's tutorial using a Monoline script font. Hello lettering friend! February 2023 marks the second anniversary of my book, Handlettering for Beginners, being published. So to celebrate, we're going to do some fun font projects together from the end of the book. The first font style you see here is the basic font, and it starts the book. It's really helpful when you're learning. The end of the book has 6 different fonts and projects because I love fonts so much. And in my next few videos, I'm going to give you a tutorial for all of the fonts so you can actually use them in your journal. Today, we're going to start with the first one, the Monoline script. Here is the super simple project that we're going to be making in this video. I'll be using my Monoline Plus Pen 3000 and my Archer and Olive journal. These pens are technically fine tip pens that you can give a little pressure to get a calligraphy look, but today we are using them as fine tip pens. I'm going to start out with some tracing paper, and in my book, tracing the full alphabet. This is to show you what the font style looks like. If you have my book, you can go ahead and trace along with me. We're just getting a feel for this font style. So when I say monoline, that means mono. There's no change in thickness in your letter. So a normal calligraphy look would have thick downstrokes and thin upstrokes. But this script style is monoline. The downstrokes and upstrokes have the same thickness. I really like monoline lettering because you can use any pen, so you don't have to have a brush pen or a calligraphy pen. You can do some really cool chalk lettering with a monoline lettering style. If you are having a hard time with your brush pen and getting those thin upstrokes, this is a really great style to start and get comfortable picking up your pen between the strokes, but you're not worried about the thickness of your pressure. This project is super simple. I just chose rainbow colors and I'm doing the same word over and over again to fill a line in my journal. So this would be good on a page if you have an edge that needs to be filled up. Choose your word and then just do it in the colors that you love. For me, that is rainbow colors. I chose the word sunshine because in February, I need all the sunshine that I can get. And you can see I'm using a dot grid journal, and so because of those dots, it's helping me to get the right spacing. That's a really easy way to get the sizing of your letters consistent because I am just keeping all of the height of my letters within one dot. And then the H, of course, with that ascending loop, it goes in the dot above. Not only is this really good practice to try and work on your consistency, to get the same word over and over, it also looks really cute in your journal. I also think it would look good to have a few different words down the line, maybe a list of things you're grateful for, or maybe the names of people that have meant something to you lately, something that is meaningful for you right now. And this monoline script is so simple that anyone can do it. You can use any pen and it looks great. Because my journal is a hand lettering journal, I'm not actually using this as a bullet journal, so I don't have a schedule or calendar in here. This is actually my finished page, and I love that I can look back through my hand lettering journal and see all of this inspiration. It's my own personal Pinterest, so I don't have to go online to get inspiration. I can flip back through my journal and get some ideas. And then I'm always able to see my progress as I continue to letter and create new things. To complete this page, I wanted to add this little bookmark that I've made in the past, and I used monoline lettering here, and you can see it's not a script font, it's just a regular monoline print font. I just wanted to show you another example of something you could do with monoline lettering. Then I just added double-sided tape to the back of it and stuck it in. So this is my finished page for monoline lettering. And this rainbow watercolor background is actually something that I teach you how to do in my book. I also have some YouTube videos about it, so I will link that below. If you are excited about the next font style, it is going to be the flourished script, and I get asked a lot about flourishes. So I will link the playlist right here with the next video when I upload it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you there.